A prescriptivist is someone who believes certain words or phrases should or should not be said. In other words, prescriptivism is the belief that some language is better than other language or should be used. For example, if I'm like, hey, who should I ask to the dance? And my brother's like, don't you mean whom should I ask to the dance? Then my brother's being prescriptivist. He thinks whom is more correct and therefore better, at least in this situation. Or if I tell my mom, my friend Harry got drunk and then a truck ran over them, and my mom's like, don't you mean a truck ran over him? Then my mom's being a prescriptivist. Same principles apply. And if she then asks me, is he alive? And I say, Harry goes by they, so you should use they. Then in this example, I am also being prescriptivist. It's true. I'm telling my mom that some language is preferable to other language, that she should use one word over another. And so now we've arrived at the problem. Anti-prescriptivism is prescriptivism. Both people are being prescriptivist here. A true descriptivist would say something like, it doesn't really matter, say whatever you want to say for whatever purposes you want to convey. But does this mean I'm wrong in this scenario? I mean, maybe we should respect people's pronouns, right? But it is prescriptivism. I mean, by definition, we're telling people that they should use some language and not other language. So while prescriptivism is pretty much always seen as bad in linguistics, we now come across a counterexample. How do we rectify this as linguists and as a broader society? When is prescriptivism okay? If you think I'm right here to insist upon my mom using Harry's preferred pronouns and also think that I have no obligation whatsoever to use whom instead of who, then your view of prescriptivism is conditional. You're not really a true descriptivist. But conditional upon what? I'm not going to try to answer that in this video because I honestly don't know how, and it probably varies for each person, but I just wanted to provoke the question and highlight how you're probably not the perfect descriptivist you thought you were.